why are there drawing tools in Excel? I have occasion to discuss this very question 3 or 4 times during the Excel courses that I teach in a year. Let's head over to Excel and take a look. So here we are in a spreadsheet in Excel, and we'll take a look at first one obvious application of drawing tools, and then we'll take a look at one not so obvious application of drawing tools. So here is a chart, a pictorial chart, and I'd like to annotate this chart to say that one person equals 10 units or 10 people. This is a manpower chart, and I'd like to add a little legend here that says one person equals 10 people. So for that, I simply need to go over to the Insert menu, and on the Insert menu, click on the Shapes group and select a text box. And once I've selected the text box, all I do is draw my annotation here onto the chart and type in equals 10 people. And then I can format this any way I like. Increase the font, increase the font styling, and so on. So that's one pretty obvious reason why you have drawing shapes in a spreadsheet, to annotate your chart. Now let's take a look at one not so obvious but extremely powerful use of drawing tools. And that is to build data-driven diagrams. Did you know that all drawing shapes in Excel can hold data and be linked to a cell? Here, for example, are titles and names of individuals in my organization. And if I wanted to draw an organization chart, I could head over to the Insert menu, select the drawing shapes from here, draw little boxes, then draw connectors and other boxes and connect all these together in an organization chart and get that organization chart driven by this data. There's a quicker way to do this, however, and that is to use something called Smart Art. On the Insert menu, I'm going to select Smart Art, and I'm going to select a hierarchy chart, and I'll select something like this and click OK. Now, Smart Art is not drawing shapes. You have to convert Smart Art into drawing shapes. But before I do that, I'm going to format this the way I like and then convert it into drawing shapes. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to make this Smart Art look the way I like. So I'm going to the Smart Art Design menu, and I'm going to delete a few boxes here which are not required. So I'm going to delete that one. And I'm going to add one more box in the second level. So now I have one box at the top and 4 boxes in the second level. Once I've done that, I'm going to now format this Smart Art the way I like. So on the Smart Art Design tab, I can change the colors if I like. So I'm going to pick something like this. And I can also change the formatting. So I can pick any kind of 3D look or shaded look, anything that I like. So I'm going to select something like this. And now that I've done that, I'm ready to convert this to shapes. So here is the Convert to Shapes button. I'm going to convert it to shapes. And now that it is shapes, they are all ready to be linked to the data in my spreadsheet. So to link them, all I need to do here is to select the box and click on the formula bar, type an equal sign, and click on the cell that I want, which in this case is the name. And then I press enter. You can see that name now appears in that box. Similarly, I can do it for the titles, select the box that I want, type an equal sign in the formula bar, click on the cell that I want, press enter, and that is now appearing in that box. After I've done all the linking that I like, I'll do one more for example. I'll select that, type an equal sign, and click on the name and press enter. And similarly, the title, type an equal sign in the formula bar and click on the cell I want, press enter. After I've done this, I can now format the fonts any way I like. So for example, for this one, I might like to select a light colored font, make it bold, increase the font size. And for the second one, I can reduce the font size, make it italicized, and so on. So these are the various options that you have after you have linked these text boxes or these drawing shapes to your cells. And you can see that they are dynamic because if I change something now, it's going to change inside that box. So I'm just going to change this. And you can see that as soon as I made the change, it changed in the box. So this now opens up a whole new application of drawing shapes in Excel. You can use them to build data-driven diagrams like this for inventory control, organization charts, annotated charts, dashboards, and more. So that's it in this brief video from Avanza Learning Inc. I hope you found it useful and found something that you can carry back to your work. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in some of our other videos and tutorials.